welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm playing Minecraft. And I'm just gonna do something quickly. Okay, so back to Minecraft we go. Hey. And I'm probably gonna do that like every day now, and Friday will be 10 episodes. Yeah, let's go with that. So deep, doop. Now wood chest. Just put it outside. This, oh wait, I don't need this chest. Oops. Here. That'll be in my mailbox. Just need to make some signs. Need to go down to my secret barrier. Don't think I need 12 signs, but oh well. Wood, stone, wood, stone, what else do I need? Grass, slash, gravel, slash, sand. Here is going to be leaves and whatnot. So now do I have a crafting table down here? Doop. So here will be I'm just gonna put that there, so like, because I'm bored and I want to. So make a chest. Where can I put it? Down here. Oh wait, all I have to do is hide it behind the wall. Duh. I don't think it'll be that bad. Ores, and then here will be my armor and tools. There we go. I think I'm not gonna hide it. I'm gonna keep it there because I didn't have enough space. Armor and tools. What else is there in this game? I have food upstairs. I have random stuff for my trip. Let's see. Nothing else really. So up the stairs we go. Now what? One wood. Stone. Oh, this is wood. There we go. For this episode, I'm gonna go mining. Yes, I just remembered, and I'm gonna. No, actually, I need to find some wood. Once I get one more piece of cobble. Yeah. Doop. Boop. Doop. Boop. No, I don't need. No, I need this. I don't need this. Leaves would not wood. No! Owie. Here we go. Gee. Just need one more string. Now I need to go back down. I need to get inside, I need to get inside. Open the door, close the door. All my tools. Oh. So I hope you're enjoying this episode so far. Spider. That's it for now. Bye.